Forgot your screen time passcode and can't change your settings? Don't panic. You don't need to wipe your phone. Here's a fast fix. Open your settings and tap on screen time. Usually you'd go into content and privacy restrictions to make changes, but if you don't know the code, that's a dead end. Instead, scroll down and look for change screen time passcode. Tap that and then hit change screen time passcode one more time. Now, right here is a secret. Don't guess the numbers. Tap the blue text that says forgot passcode. Just enter the Apple ID and password you use to set up the phone. Once that verifies, it lets you enter a brand new passcode immediately. And just like that, you're back in control. Ever wonder how to fix your iPhone hotspot not working? Check out this video right now.